game we used to play on computers.
Minesweeper?
Yeah,
I can't believe people didn't really know how to play Minesweeper.
I didn't. I would just click buttons to
And
break
just
that.
that you didn't blow up.
Yeah.
So, enemy in range. Return true if enemy is less than 5 units away. So, first of all, if enemy is less than 5, return true. Huh? Oh. I feel like that should be outside, but we'll see. So if the enemy's in range, return true if it's less than cleaver attack. If it's ready, the hero is gonna cleave, else it's gonna attack. While true. If enemy's in range. Nope. That ain't it.
Meow, meow, meow.
Inside it. Okay, well, we did that before. She's not fighting. She's getting beat up. Check distance if enemy by calling enemy in range. We did that. It said to return true. Cause that just messes it up. This is always making me mad. Okay, so return true if enemy is less than 5 units away. So if enemy is less than 5, return true. We did that. What do you mean? I'm always getting stuck. Let's try a hint. We don't need a semicolon. This isn't JavaScript.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah. Let's go back. Where's this semicolon coming from? when you have a function, I mean, am I missing something somewhere? It says if this is the thing, then it's gonna do this. So if this is true, then it's going to attack or whatever. But how are we not? Because we can't have it. Ooh. It has to be here. It's a capital TRUE. No. Is this the problem? Because this is where it's getting stuck. Let's chill out. Let's see what we're doing here. I don't know what's wrong. You tell me. Oh. If enemy, it should be if hero distance 2. That's what it is, because it's not. I gotta remember that. That makes sense. Thank you. Alright, we had to do the distance 2 because we never had the distance. That makes sense. I am streaming right now. Why are you calling me?
Oh man, I'm tired.
You're always tired.
I know.
You need to take some ginkgo, some ginseng or something.
Okay. I will.
You won't.
I will.
Okay, let's see if they're gonna fight this time. Yeah! Yeah, yeah! Why is she just standing there, though? Gotta remember to do distance 2. Go fetch. I'm trying to go